This tutorial is about updating the quantity for every bunch. So, for example, this Avon filling fresh, we will update the current warehouse quantity to 100 using the physical count. So, click on the inventory, then physical count, then add physical count entry, select the branch, choose the warehouse, then select the encoder, then click add. Okay, then click back, then you will see the branch name. Then current, the default status is pending. Click the details. For example, our physical count for the Avon French is 100. Then you can save it, save, or you can have it completed directly. So click save. Once you change the status to complete, so you will not be able to edit it anymore. So as you can see, the status complete. The save button is now removed. Click back. As you can see, this one is completed. Then we go back to our even feeling fresh. Click the refresh. As you can see, we have the quantity changed to 100. So that is our physical count.